Superman. That was horrible. Hey guys, I look really bad right now. But who cares? Okay, well actually I care, but you know, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, this video was requested by Dylan. She wouldn't stop bugging me about it, so I have to do it because she threatened me. So here it goes. If you're wondering what that is, it's from his bed. He ripped all the filling. Well, not all of it, but he ripped it out. See? Well, he was sleeping. Not anymore. Hey, Mason. Hey, boy. You think it's funny? Huh? You think everything's just a joke, right? Because it's just so funny. You think everything's funny. Why are you looking at me? Stop looking at me. Yeah, look at the floor. You think it's funny? Think it's funny? It's not funny. You see me laughing? Exactly. What's your problem? You don't like chicken or something? Don't look at me with that cute face. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. You're so cute. You're so cute. Why are you rolling over, huh? You think I'm gonna rub your belly? You think I roll like that? I just go straight on to second base or something, son? Huh? Yeah, exactly. What's your... Subscribe. Toodles.